This week in Tech Tip, we're going to learn how to load in data. Loading data is going to be a setting option. It's going to be the first option. The data is going to be stored in your marker manager. So if I do open the marker manager, you'll notice everything is blank. Again, the reason for it is because I haven't loaded in the data or data of this project. Now, when you load in data, you're going to be loading in your opening markers. So that's how you're going to be framing around your opening. So if you need, let's say, built up box header or you need a truss header, markers are what you're going to be using. Joins, so let's say a corner, you need to clean it up. You need to add some extra members. You need to be, a vertical member there or a gap for the sheeting. Markers is what you will need to use for that. T-intersections, angles, and so forth. Um, extra vertical markers, rule sets, all those things are going to be loaded in when you load in your data. So to load in your data, you're going to go into your settings, you're going to hit the load data option, and then this dollar box is going to pop up. Because we are using MWF Pro Metal, you're going to see that the first option that's going to be popped up is the like HDL default. If we were using wood, wood would pop up, and if we were using the suite is combined with wood and metal, you're going to have both options there. Then you will notice that there's a link here, or sorry, a path to the directory. This is just the data, the Imperial folder. If we were using metric, you'll notice that the metric option is going to be there. This allows the user to create a custom folder with, if you want to load in, let's say, families by default, anything like that, you can create your own and you just select the folder and then it will load in that information. And this also allows you to have it onto a server and you can pull from there. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to pull up from the like HDL default one. We're going to hit the blue check mark, and basically right now it's just loading in our markers or joins or extra vertical markers or rule sets, everything that the marker manager by default will need. This dialog box is going to pop up just saying that this default is already loaded in. Would you just want to update it? I'm going to say yes. I'm going to hit apply all. The reason for it is because that dialog box does pop up a couple of times. So it's just going to load all this information. Now if I go back into that load marker, you'll notice now I have information. If I go to the project, I have some rule sets. This has to do with the auto join, the way we're going to the opening marker mapping, sorry, and also the clash detections. All of those options read rule sets. Then I have my openings, joins, extra vertical markers, all that stuff is what we just loaded. So this is this week's tech tip, and this would be the how to load in your data or data into a project. Also, this is one-time option. You just load in once and then you're good to go with this project. Hope you guys have a great day.